How's it going, everybody? Welcome to We Do Tech. So as you guys can see, we are here at rAge 2019. Super excited to be back. Pretty much been here from like 2007. So it's been a blast, and we're really looking forward to check out some of the new products that they show off here, and then also try out some games, of course. We have some cool thing we need to check out for Acer as well, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, now we just need to find some of our media passes because we don't know where that is, and then we'll see if we can get in. Hopefully we don't need to actually buy tickets now, because that'll be a bit of an issue, because we can already see the queue is quite long. So yeah, let's get going. So after a while of searching, we finally found our media passes. It was a bit of an issue because nobody actually knew where we could pick up our passes, and they said on our email which entrances to go, but yeah, it was a bit of an issue, but we are here. So our first stop at rAge is going to be the Acer stand, and as you guys can see, it looks freaking awesome. You have this massive arms just going everywhere, and they do have their Thronos gaming chair, which, by the way, we are gonna check out a bit later, so stay tuned for that. So I just got done with playing around with the Thronos, and the thing is so cool. So you have some controls on the armrest where you can open up the entire frame. It opens up upwards. You can control the armor rest. You can control the keyboard tray. It literally opens up to the side, so you can feel like a king walking into your throne, and also out. So currently one of my friends is inside. He is enjoying his time with it. We played some Forza, and even though I'm not the best, it actually was really enjoyable just sitting inside this thing and enjoying my time. Not only that, you actually have a controller where you can adjust how the seat vibrates. So the seat at the bottom vibrates, the backrest vibrates as well, where you can get a nice massage. And even though it gets quite hectic, but it's so relaxing just to sit in that thing and get a nice back massage. If you've been at work for a long day, to sit in this thing, and it's going to relax you so much. Now it is currently using one of Predator's own custom PCs. They do have their monitors here as well, 3 of them, which is awesome, so you get the entire surround display. And you guys know I also have my triple display. It's so convenient, and with this you definitely need that. But the stand is so cool, so they're still going on everything. They have the massive arms going all across. A bunch of their laptops that they're also that you can actually play on. They've got PCs over there, and also they do actually have a shop here if you wanted to buy something. So we've walked around for a bit, and now we're taking a look at the Cooler Master stand, where they do have a bunch of their new coolers, like their new Marshall ML240P Dual Mirage, which has dual pumps, which is awesome. We actually saw it at Combat-X 2019 in May, so that was awesome. They do also have a bunch of other ones, but we do have one specific one that we're actually here to take a look at, and that is their new mouse. But that is their new MM710. Sup?
Hello. How are you?
Good and you?
You're having the best day.
Dude,
I'm so tired.
I'm already tired.
I slept 2 hours in like 60 weeks.
But you enjoyed your hotel? Dude, it looks awesome.
It was really nice.
I just set you up.
Oh, they're disgusting. They spend so much money on this one. Why?
Oh, that's awesome. How many times have you been in here?
To where?
To rAge.
First time.
First time?
Yeah.
Oh. No, how's it so far?
It's so much better than Cape Town's shit. Like Cape Town's got this thing called rAge. I don't know if you've seen it.
I've seen one.
It's disgusting.
It's disgusting.
They're like, oh, the
1,000 times better.
events cost you 8,000 rand for the weekend. It's terrible. Oh, God, was this so good.
How do you enjoy the Thronos?
Great.
Dude, that thing is so cool. I want it.
It is. Product placements aside, I love it.
Dude,
it's too much. It's too many screens. It's too much.
No, I enjoy it because I do have an ultra wide.
Like I told him that Acer is very immersive. So when you go in there, it's like nothing.
And I mean, like, I don't know why, but like the field of view I've noticed is too far. Like I can see till here-ish comfortably, but it goes past that. So it was like overload. I was buffering. My eyes were buffering.
Like when you play Forza, you have to check like mini map. Like
exactly.
That's usually a problem on the games with the triple monitors. Yeah.
Well, enjoy your video and your vlog. I'll see
Cool,
you later.
man. Check it again.
It's a very cool mic.
Cool. Check it for Slack. So we're quickly here at the Cool Master booth, checking out their new mouse, the MM710. Now this is currently the lightest mouse on the market at 93 grams, which is crazy light. It just feels like it's gonna blow away because there's like a breeze going on. So it is actually waterproof as well from here downwards. So you can actually clean it under the tap. Although I wouldn't really risk that, but they say you can actually do that, just not on these switches, of course. Now the entire frame is on this honeycomb plastic. It is extremely light, so yeah, it feels a bit. It doesn't feel flimsy, but because it's so light, I don't know. I've never had such a light mouse before. And then it is going to be currently exclusive on Rebel Tech. So if you want to get one of these, go check it out. I will also leave a link in the description if you wanted to get one. But I'm gonna do a full review in a few days or a week, around a week hopefully, because they're gonna send one over for me to take a look at. It's cool. They're actually going to sell that desk as well. So it's a sit-stand desk that can go up and down, and it's not going to be that expensive. So if you guys know, I also have a sit-stand desk, and I love the thing. And they're going to sell that one at pretty much the exact same price, but it feels like you're going to get a lot more out with Cool Master's sit-stand desk. Also, the monitor is coming out hopefully in the next 3 months or so, and it's also actually going to be pretty well priced. They're 27-inch and also the 34-inch, the ultra wide. So if you've never been to rAge, it's pretty much South Africa's largest gaming and like tech expo. Although it's not that much tech necessarily, it's more gaming stuff. But yeah, if you wanted to try stuff out, then this is definitely the place to be if you do live in South Africa. It's nothing close compared to Comic-Con or so on, or like E3, those type of events, but it's still pretty big for South Africa, being that we don't have what is going on here. We have like a bow thing going on.
Take one shot.
Right behind there, protecting those boards. So of course we have a ton of games here. We have some Gears of War, some Forza, just some stands showing off some of the games that you can play around with. And if you're old enough, you can come play around here as well, but only if you're above 6.
I think
no.
under 6.
Under 6. I know. That means I can't. You can probably.
Yeah, I can.
Alright. Last year, it was still, this side was the LAN. Like the entire section here was booked off for just for the LAN, and then also upstairs. But it looks like the LAN is exclusively upstairs now, which I don't know if there's more space upstairs, but looks like everything is there now.
I think they made the LAN smaller as well.
That's the thing, I'm not sure, because I haven't really looked around there, and I know also there's space down, or like below and around there,
Yeah.
there's more space that you can actually go around. So let's quickly take a look at some of the Acer stuff, because we're here. They do have a stage that some of the esports teams are playing, and then we have some of their systems that they're showing off. So this is Stuart from Swings and Wings, a custom system that I built. So if anybody wants a custom system, Stuart is the guy to check out. Now they do have a bunch of other stuff here as well. There's a bunch of PCs, and also have some of their laptops, like their new Zen book with the touch display, the extra display here, which is so cool. They do have the touch board. And then also another system from Stuart from 6modding with some brutal cooling going on there. Again, check him out if you want to build a custom water-cooled system here in South Africa. He does probably some of the best work in the country. And then also they do have their new, I think it's a 55-inch or 60-inch gaming TV running at 144 Hertz, and also I think it's 4K, if I remember right. It's one of those big format monitors that's new G-Sync and all of that. It's only 5 currently in the world, and there's currently 1 here, which is awesome. So maybe one day we can get one of those. And now he has the new DJI Osmo 3, and he's in love with the thing. It's actually really cool. He showed off some of the Acer stuff for me, and that thing is so smooth. I actually need a gimbal for my camera as well. The thing is, it's just kind of expensive and super bulky if you do have a big camera, unfortunately.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen,
Double speed, onward.
I just think it's heavy. My arm is not strong enough. I haven't gone to the gym long enough. I'm not used to the vlogging life. Hey, look. Darth Vader. Darth Vader. Vader. Never mind. That's so cool. Yeah, Darth Vader doesn't like me. He doesn't like Wookiees. It's okay, we'll get him one day. And then pretty much one of our last stands we're gonna check out is the MSI stand. And they have their new Titan there as well, which we've seen at Computex, tested it out. 5 GHz on all cores, which is crazy on a laptop. So they have a bunch of this stuff. Here are some of the laptops. They have desktops and so on. So pretty much all of MSI's latest parts they're showing off here. Also, Boot Fighter, which they're also playing around, which is cool. If you guys don't know, Boot Fighter is like a South African made game, which is cool. It's not a lot of game developers here in South Africa, so that's really cool. If you're here, want to play some games, it's fun that you can do. Also, massive dragon. I need one of those. Of the small one, the tiny one, the small one, and the medium-sized one, but I need a massive one. So yeah, got the not only walls that they're showing off as well. So you can actually control those now with MSI software. So you can control that everything. It's really cool. and if you have like an entire wall like they did at Computex, it looks crazy. So we are done for the day. Checked out most of the stuff there. It is a more games, and I'm not gonna stand in here to play some games, but we've checked out some of the new products that they're launching. Checked out the Acer Thronos, which is awesome. Got some cool monster stuff, got some MSI stuff. It's a bunch of stuff there. And yeah, tired, long day. Now it's time for the long drive home. But yeah, it was fun. Christian, what do you think?
No, I enjoyed it. Thronos is amazing.
He also had a turn on the Thronos.
I want one.
It's
I really
so
want
cool.
one. Luckily, I'm a very good chef here, so get some Z's and then yeah.
Cool. Thanks for watching, guys. I do hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like, subscribe, and comment like always. I don't know if you guys can see me because of the sun, but I'll check with you next time. Cheers.